Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make Muruku, which is another famous South Indian snack for Diwali at your home. So for the Muruku, what you need, here I took 2 cup of rice flour, that is chawal ka atta, and in this I added 1 cup of besan and 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee. That ghee I melted and I put it in this mix, and I added some salt as per our taste. So, and some 1 to 2 teaspoon of red chili powder, which gives a nice color in this muruku. So in this I'm adding little bit of water to make a smooth dough. Don't add too much of water. So we have to make a smooth dough. And believe me guys, this muruku is very tasty. If you go to the Sharavana Bhavan or any South Indian restaurant, they will sell this muruku. So the dough is ready guys, and it's time to prepare muruku. So for the muruku, what you need this machine, and this machine is always available in all the shops. So yeah, first we have to heat the oil in the kadai. So take a small ball of this, and I'm going to put this ball inside this machine, and you have to cover like this. So you have to do like this guys. Can you see it's coming? And we have to fry this muruku until it becomes light brown in color. Remember guys, when you are making the snack items, please cook in a very low flame. And I removed this one from the oil. Can you see? So the muruku is ready. So this is a quick video of how to make muruku at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. This is very crispy guys. So yeah, bye. More Diwali recipes are coming in my YouTube channel. Please check. Thank you.